Hello lovely people, it's Manuel Manmi with a Minute Positive, and this episode is captioned "The Connection Between Faith and Forgiveness." In times of hurt and pain, forgiveness may seem insurmountable, but with faith, it becomes a journey towards healing and restoration. It takes courage to forgive, but faith gives us the strength to let go of our anger and bitterness. Faith also teaches us the importance of forgiveness in our relationship with God. Bear with each other and forgive one another. If any of you has a grievance against someone, forgive as the Lord forgave you. Colossians chapter 3 verse 13 tells us, as we journey through life, let us hold on to our faith and embrace the power of forgiveness. It is an essential component of our spiritual development and our capacity to live a fulfilled life. Therefore, let us forgive as we have been forgiven and enjoy the freedom and joy that comes with it. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Peace.